Hello and welcome to another Microsoft Excel for Accounting video tutorial where we're going to look at Apply Your Knowledge, Chapter 12, Unit 29, and we're going to be looking at question number 22. I'm just going to do 22A for you so you can have a go at it on the next two. So the first thing, let's read the question. It says, prepare schedule of costs of goods sold for each of the following companies. The fiscal period is for the month of May 2017. All right, so the first thing it tells us is that the merchandise inventory is $140,000. And then we've got a purchases of $600,000. I've created these templates so they're grayed out, so it's pretty simple, but you do have to pay close attention to add and less. So we've got purchase returns and allowances of $30,000. And purchase discounts, it doesn't say anything about purchase discounts, so we're just going to leave that as a 0. And then what we need to do is we need to total up those two, because eventually we're going to subtract these from this one. So this would just be an equals this plus this. And obviously you could have just went equals this, but I just want to make sure you know it. So if it has it over there, and we're going to say enter, and then so that is less from this. So now what we're going to do is going to go equals 600,000 minus this less piece, enter. So this could have been gray here as well. And then you'll notice in the book it says transportation in is 12,000. And transportation would make your overall cost more, so that's why we have to add those two here. So we're going to go equals this plus this one, so because that's going to make your cost of goods more expensive. Then we've got cost of merchandise available for sale is going to be your beginning merchandise plus the stuff you bought and the expenses. So we're going to go equals this one plus this one. Then we're going to go less the merchandise at the end of the month. So we've taken a physical account at the end of the month, and we're going to say that was 120,000. That's in the book. That's the information that was given to us. And then so the cost of goods sold was actually minus that because we didn't sell those yet. So it's going to be equals that minus this. Enter. And there you have the cost of goods sold for the month ending May 31st. The only thing different on B is that just like transportation in, so this is when a vehicle has to, or a vehicle or train or plane has to, we have to pay, the business has to pay for it when we're buying things and transporting it in. So that's an increased cost to the company. But sometimes if you're getting things across the border, there's also duty on it. So then you'd have to add that too. So that's a little bit different than this one, that's all. And that is how you do schedule of costs of goods for a merchandising company. Thanks for watching.